Good day everyone, I am Hamilton Gary V. Maniego from BSN 1A3 and today I will be presenting and defending my exercise prescription and workout plan. This exercise program aims to improve cardiovascular endurance and muscular strength for better overall health and fitness performance. The training period covers October 31 to November 27, 2025. And it's designed for individuals with low to moderate risk classification in physical activity participation. The goal and rationale of my workout plan is the main goal is the program to enhance both cardiovascular endurance and muscular strength, as these are essential components of physical fitness and overall wellness. Improving cardiovascular endurance promotes better oxygen delivery and heart efficiency, while developing muscular strength supports posture, movement, and daily functional activities. A balanced exercise prescription focusing on these areas helps in preventing chronic disease, promoting optimal physical performance, and enhancing quality of life. Second, target rate and intensity of my workout plan is to ensure safe and effective exercise performance. The target heart rate, or called THR, was calculated using the heart rate reserve method. The resting heart rate is 72 beats per minute. The heart rate reserve is 143 BPM. The target heart rate is 133 BPM. And the highest heart rate is 178 BPM. So the normal heart rate beats per minute is 72. So by maintaining exercise intensity within the target heart rate zone, the participant remains in a aerobic training level, improving stamina while avoiding overexertion or injury. Third, structure of my workout plan. The workout plan is composed of 4 major components: warm up, workout, proper, cool activity, and cool down. The warm-up phase lasting 5 to 7 minutes include light activities such as jogging and place arm circles, shoulder rolls, and bodyweight squats. This prepares the body for exercise by gradually increasing the heart rate and improve joint mobility. The workout proper follows circuit training format composed of exercise like jumping jacks, high knees, mountain climbers, flutter kicks, calf raises, and glute bridges. Each activity is performed for 20 to 45 seconds with short rest interval between sets. This approach develops both muscular endurance and cardiovascular capacity. Moving on, in addition, resistance or strength training is incorporated on Wednesday and Thursday to further improve muscle tone and strength. Alternative between cardiovascular resistance and exercise promotes balanced physical development and allows sufficient recovery time. So that's in my Wednesday and Thursday workout plan. The cool and cool down phase involve slow walking and stretching exercise such as standing squat stretch, hamstring stretch, tricep stretch, and deep breathing. These activities help return the heart rate to normal, enhance flexibility, and prevent muscle soreness. Safety and risk consideration. Because the participants falls under a low to moderate risk category, the plan includes monitoring our heart rate and perceived exertion, proper hydration, and adequate rest intervals. This measure ensures both safety, and effectiveness during in the entire training period. In conclusion, to summary all this, my workout plan is the exercise prescription is a comprehensive, evidence-based, and safe fitness plan aim at enhancing cardiovascular endurance and muscular strength. It promotes not only physical health but also mental well-being, aligning with the overall goal of holistic nursing care and health promotion. Thank you. That's all.